Hey guys, good morning. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at posting my Patreon, so I'm just gonna make a really quick video for everybody that's been asking because I have had a lot of people ask recently about how to join the Patreon, how much I charge or whatever. I mean, I charge like the least amount, I think. It's like $10 a month. When you get like everything, you'll have access to like all the indicators, to all like the very small Telegram that is very active right now. I don't like Discords because it gets too like convoluted and there's too many things going on at once. And at least this way, it's just a couple of us really, um, what is it called? Just talking to each other as opposed to just looking at hundreds of people and stuff. And at least this way, everybody, everybody it's like a small community and stuff, right? And I still want to cap the Patreon. I don't like having it, be too many people and stuff. So I'm still trying to see where I'm going to be capping the Patreon now. I'm not sure yet. But I like that it's small, right? I like that there's not a lot of people in here, and we all kind of get to know each other and really start trading really well together. But yeah, I will put the link in the description and also in the comments. Again, this is just the video for the people that have been asking, what it is. I mean, you can just go to patreon.com/ but I'm not a trader, or I will be dropping the link and I will be pinning it in the comments, and it'll also be in the description of this video. If you're not interested in the Patreon, just completely ignore this. This doesn't, you don't have to watch this video and stuff. For those that do want to join the Patreon, it's I gotta say it's pretty fun. I've probably had the most fun out of the whole YouTube and TikTok and everything going on. I think I've had the most fun after I actually created the Patreon, and we're all on chat talking every single day. Like it's fun, man. I like it a lot. But with that being said, have a great day. Just a quick video. I'll drop the link in the comment section and pin it, and also in the description. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.